I hope you guys have been enjoying the conference as much as I have. Right now, I like to do a piece of magic using a piece of rope and a little bit of music. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.
To keep my hands on myself. Pick up dust and more, put 'em back up on the shelf. Yes, my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Let me kick it like it's 1986. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Breathing with the babies till the mama call the grave digger. Gone with the fallen leaves. Am I coming out of left field?
A lot of times after my shows, people come up to me and ask how I got interested in magic. And I always tell them this story, and it is a true story. When I was in 3rd grade, I checked out a book on magic at my local library. And it taught a bunch of tricks with ropes and cards and markers and crayons. And then I went to the library a second time and checked out a second book. I learned a few more tricks, didn't show anybody, not even anybody in my family. When I went to check out my 3rd book, the librarian goes, "I'm not gonna let you check out any more books on magic." And when I asked her why, she said, "Unless you're gonna do something with it, maybe you should check out something else." So she goes, "I'll let you have this last book. You have to learn one trick and show the class." And this is the trick that I still do in my show today that I learned in that magic book. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. All you need is a piece of cardboard and a magic marker. Now mine's black with a white dot, but you can use any colors you want, green, blue, yellow, it doesn't matter. Now first, I'm gonna perform the trick for you, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. So right here on this card, I have 1 dot, this side 4 dots, this side 2 dots, and this side 5 dots. I'm gonna show it to you again. 1 dot, 4 dots, 2 dots, and 5 dots. How this works, there's actually 2 dots on this card. If I keep one covered, it creates the illusion of 1, but really there's 2. A real simple trick. On the back side, there's 5 dots. I keep one covered to create the illusion of 4, but really there's 5 dots. Now when you do this trick, you don't want to do this. People catch on real quick. Make sure it's completely covered. Now to show 2 dots, all you have to do is make sure that 3rd dot is completely covered. You guys are following this, right? To show 5 dots, just make sure that 6th dot is completely covered, otherwise you'll spoil illusion. To show 3 dots, I leave it just like this. You know, by the end of this trick, I see spots before my eyes. I don't know. Right now, I'm going to show you a card trick, but not using an ordinary deck of cards. We're going to use a deck of alphabet cards. And of course, the reason they call these alphabet cards, because they're every letter of the alphabet, all different letters. And we're going to do some pure sleight of hand with these cards. I'm going to spread them out face up into face down. Shuffle them together. Just like so. We'll also give the cards a couple little cuts. And a little shuffle for good measure. Just like that. Now, as we found out, Java on Kubernetes is the only possible solution. There's only a few cards left face up. We're going to remove those letters one at a time to form a word. Through. I think we all know this magic word. There it is. The magic word for the day, Kubernetes. I hope you enjoy the rest of the sessions.